How to get Play Store on Hisense Smart TV. The first step is to check your TV's OS. So first you need to know what system your TV is running. Go into settings, device preferences, and then click on about. If your TV runs Android TV, you should already have the Play Store. If it's Vida OS, then Play Store is not supported, but I'll show you a workaround. Now, this step is for Android TV users. So if your Hisense TV runs Android TV, but Play Store is missing, go to settings, click on apps, look for the Google Play Store. If it's disabled, enable it. If you still don't see it, then update your TV software. All right, now for updating your TV software, all you need to do is just go to settings, click on support, select system update, and install any available updates. This can restore missing apps like the Play Store. Now, for those on the Vida OS, all you need to do is use the built-in app store and then connect a streaming device like a Fire Stick or an Android TV box, and then you could just simply plug in the Fire Stick into your HDMI port, and then this will give you full access to the Google Play Store instantly. All right, guys.